How to strip all whitespace from string. How do I strip all the spaces in a Python string? For example, I want a string like strip my spaces to be turned into strip my spaces, but I cannot seem to accomplish that with strip.
Taking advantage of str.split's behavior with no sep parameter. If you just want to remove spaces instead of all whitespace. Premature optimization. Even though efficiency isn't the primary goal, writing clear code is. Here are some initial timings. Note the regex is cached, so it's not as slow as you'd imagine. Compiling it beforehand helps some, but would only matter in practice if you call this many times. Even though re.sub is 11.3x slower, remember your bottlenecks are assuredly elsewhere. Most programs would not notice the difference between any of these three choices.
For Python 3. Handles any whitespace characters that you're not thinking of, and believe us, there are plenty. \s on its own always covers the ASCII whitespace. Regular, space, tab, new line, \n, carriage return, \r, form feed, vertical tab. Additionally, for Python 2 with re.unicode enabled, for Python 3 without any extra actions. \s also covers the Unicode whitespace characters, for example, non-breaking space, m space, ideographic space, etc. See the full list here, under Unicode characters with white_space property. However, \s does not cover characters not classified as whitespace, which are de facto whitespace, such as among others. Zero width joiner, Mongolian vowel separator, zero width non-breaking space, aka byte order mark, etc. See the full list here, under related Unicode characters without white_space property. So these 6 characters are covered by the list in the second regex, \u180b vertical bar \u200b vertical bar \u200c vertical bar \u200d vertical bar \u2060 vertical bar /uff. Sources. This URL, this URL, this URL.
Alternatively. And here is Python 3 version.
Remove the starting spaces in Python. Remove the trailing or end spaces in Python. Remove the whitespaces from beginning and end of the string in Python. Remove all the spaces in Python.
The simplest is to use replace. Alternatively, use a regular expression.